how you can fix your critical alerts iPhone stuck. So this happens when you get a critical alert on your iPhone and your iPhone just gets stuck and the critical alert does not get away. So I'll teach you guys how to fix that. But before that, you'll need to know what critical alerts are for the people that don't know what they are. So critical alerts are special notifications which bypass the device's mute switch, and they just generate an audible notification in emergency situations. So this getting stuck can get quite, annoying. So to fix this, it's really simple. All you need to do is force restart your iPhone. Now, to force restart your iPhone, all you need to do is just press and release volume up button, then do the same for the volume down button. First the volume up, then the volume down. After doing so, just hold your power button on the right side, and after you do that, Apple logo will appear and your iPhone will restart. And after doing that, the notification should just go away. And after doing that, this is my suggestion. What you need to do is just go to your settings, go to general, check for software updates, and if there is an update available, just update your software. Now this is recommended because the critical alerts might be due to a bug in your system. So with your software updates, bug fixes will come, so that problem might get resolved that way. And yeah, that is basically it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take